Essentially told we have one person in focus. That's our focus right now. We're going to try to apprehend that suspect that they did concede. They had clearly identified. We are now told an arrest has been made.
From that, I was told that they had a breakthrough in identification of a suspect. And I'm told I want to be very careful about this because people get very sensitive when you say these things. I was told by one of these sources, who was a law enforcement official, that this was a dark-skinned male. The official used some other words. I'm not going to repeat them until we get more information. Because of the sensitivities, there are some people who will take offense even at saying that, and I understand that. I'm just saying this was relayed to me by a reputable law enforcement source.
I have actually 3 separate sources, but 2 that are very highly placed and close to the investigation that have just told me that there has been no arrest, and in fact, a suspect has not been identified by name yet, that they have, they're looking for someone, but they don't have anybody in custody yet.
Why are people so quick to believe these lies? That's a big question, but according to one recent study, it boils down to this. Interpreting things critically is just harder on your brain than believing it at face value, or in some cases, hitting that retweet button. It's kind of human nature. So then how do we solve the problem of misinformation? Well, some have suggested that it should actually be a crime to make stuff up on Twitter. But European scientists have a different answer. With funding from the EU, they're building an online lie detector that they say can filter out misinformation in real time. Called Fame, after the Greek representation of malicious gossip, the system is still in development, but the researchers hinted at some ways to tell if a tweet is a lie.